everyone, I am so excited. So I got my Craftoween box from Spellbinders. I bought this about, I don't know, 10 days ago, maybe a little less, and it just arrived. I haven't opened yet. We're gonna do this together. Guys, honestly, this is one of those things that is going for sure to sell out. And just for you to know, I am going to open it and I'm going to show you all the dice sets inside the box. So if you don't want to see it, it's a spoiler video. If you don't want to see what's inside, just stop watching the video now, because I'm excited and I'm dying to see it and I want to share it with you, okay? So basically it just came out. It was just published made available by Spellbinders, and it's 13 die sets, standard size, and you know how much each one costs? You'll never find anything like this, not with Spellbinders or anybody else. It's about $3.50 each, because this whole box is $49 for 13 die sets, standard size, and I'll show you each and every one of them so you make an informed decision if you want to buy. And please do use my link below. I get a commission and it helps me keep creating these free videos for you, okay? And it's not just the dies. I believe there are a few more things in the box. So let's open and let's look. And again, it's a spoiler video. I don't want to frustrate anybody. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this, it's so cute. I think it's the first time they do this. So 13 days of Craftoween by Spellbinders. I'm going to get everything out. Oh my gosh, I already love the sequins. Oh, look at the sequins. They are gorgeous. I love it. I love this one that doesn't have the hole in the middle and it's flat. This is the best for decoration. For shakers, I use the other one, but this one is flat, so it's amazing for cards and stuff. So that's the sequins that come inside. Also, you also get, let me get something white here to make it easier for you to see. Maybe this, yeah. So you also get this amazing stamp set. Hope your Halloween is to die for. Enter if you dare. Have a bone-rattling Halloween. Monstrously fun wishes. Cheers to spooky sips. Happy Halloween. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stamps and sentiments. So 17 stamps with sentiments Halloween related and 13 dies for $49. Actually, it's just amazing. So I'm going to show you. And here is the little, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be playing with this. Look at this, guys. Let me just show you. Look at that. Each day has a different die set. I've never seen anything like this in the market, and for this price, you will never see this again. So let's open up one by one. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see the die set. It's not actually what's on the cover. It's something different, but let's see. So this is number 1, day 1, and we'll be playing with this. I'll probably do a day 1 and I'll work with it and I'll put it together. So that's the die set. See? Great one. Have a fantastic night. And that's here. Let's see. Have a fantastic. Let me see if it's here. I would think so. Trick or treat, no. I would think that it was part of the stamps, but no. But you have a whole bunch of stamps here to play with it. So that's the number 1. Look at that. A little bat. Oh, I hope they have a crow. I really do. Crows are amazing. I love them. So let's see number 2. That's number 3. I'm gonna open number 2 now. So number 2, and I love this little, you know, the packaging that they did. So day 2. Oh, they have a crow. Is that a crow? I guess it is, huh? It is a crow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my God, I love it. Wishing you a mysterious Halloween night. Love that. So that's the die set for number 2. Oh my, I'm dying to do this one now. Oh, number 2. Number 3. Let's look at it. Honestly, guys, go get it. Please use my link. I'm sure this is going to sell out so fast. Day 3 is a poison bottle. Nice, very nice. Poison, and we can use this bottle in so many different situations and sceneries. Oh, I have to have a black cat too. I bet they do. I bet they're playing with it, and the next thing you see. Okay, day 4. Oh, a ghost, of course. You have to, oh, a ghost eating a pizza slice. Look at that. Boo, a little banner with the boo words. I want a pizza, you. I love that. See how big it is? It's a regular size die. It's not like a tiny one just to pretend it's a good price. $3.50 each, honestly. Do the math. You'll never find this again. And when I saw this, it was like 3 weeks ago. I was like, oh my gosh, I want to get it. But I had to wait until it came. It was because it was on their website, but they didn't show what was inside. We didn't know. You only know if you get one. So day 5. Oh, a little spider. Creeping it real. I love that. So a little spider, scary one with a hat. So that's 5. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to do like an everyday. I'll not just open, but make one, and we could compare, because now on YouTube you have like the community tab. Oh, I love this one because the books I will use not only for Halloween. I've been wanting to have books for such a long time, and look, it can do the spine in different colors. Amazing, amazing. Oh, this is one of my fave for sure. So set of books. 6, we're almost there, guys. I guess I'm gonna go a little faster so you guys don't have to stay here for so long. Day 6. Oh, there he is. Have a bone rattling Halloween. Oh, there you go. Love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I honestly, do you guys ever think about how come they don't run out of ideas? I do. These people are so creative that it always amazes me. Oh, look, see? Oh, and it gives you ideas actually on how to use the different ones together. See, we have the crow, we have the books, and we can do that scenery right there. So this one is, oh, rest in peace. Isn't that R.I.P. supposed to be R? Huh. Cheers to spooky sips. Oh, it's sips. Oh, I get it. So a little mug. Oh, with marshmallow and a little, oh my gosh, a little ghost. Love it. You can even put the crow here. Oh, I'm just gonna play with it and make different sceneries with the different dice. We're almost there. Number 9. Let's see number 9. Look at that. Monstrously Fun Wishes. It's a little monster, Halloween monster, with the bag, treat bag right there. Cute. Day 10, 3 more, guys. Honestly, guys, all of this $49, seriously. Stamp sets, 13 dice. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, the little skull and the Halloween and the bat. Oh, this is so creative. These guys, honestly, Spellbinders, you always amaze me. Okay, 11. 11. Oh, I hope they do have an owl. Yeah, I was waiting for that. The little haunted house, of course. Enter if you dare. So that's a very good one. With a little bat. See, very good size here. Excellent. I love it. Guys, amazing. You never need to buy any Halloween dies ever again if you buy this box. You'll be playing with this forever. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, of course. Of course, we had to have a magic potion, huh? Ooh, with the skull and a bone. Love that. Have a treat-filled night. So here we are. Last but not least, let's see which one is the... Let's try to guess. Let's try to guess. I still have not seen an owl. So I hope this is one. Nope. Oh, yes, of course, we have to have a coffin. There you go, a wonderful coffin, guys. You have to use this in so many different ways. And look at the little hand. I love that it has a little hand coming out. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to play with this. So guys, this is, I bought a few more goodies from Spellbinders, but this is the Craftoween, 13 days of Craftoween. Hope you enjoyed it. Please use my link below. I'll have it right in the first line of the description. And just to end the video, let me show you what else I bought. Because I didn't buy just this. I bought, because guys, get ready. I'm going to start in a couple of weeks my craft fair series. And of course, you guys know I really love to do Christmas stuff. So I bought 2 die-cut ephemera packs, beautiful ephemera packs from Spellbinders. I bought this very general 3D. This is from one of the clubs. So this is a 3D embossing folder that does these little dots. And this is a great background for any kind of cards. I like when it doesn't, it's kind of general. This is another one that I saw. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show you without the plastic so you can see better. Yeah, because, you know, the light doesn't help. Okay, let me just open. This is like a basket, a weaved basket. So it gives that, that look of weaving, see? I think you can see now. Yeah, right there. Really nice. I wanted just general 3D embossing folders that I could use with anything. And this one I love because it's little tiny hearts. That's what it does. It just fills it up with little hearts. See? I love that one. So I bought that. And the last one is actually a stitched, this is, what do you call these? Cutting die. So it's a cutting die that makes a background and you can stitch. I usually don't, but I just thought it was so beautiful and intricate that I loved it anyway. Even if you don't stitch, it's going to look beautiful. See? So that's my haul for today, but I wanted to really share with you the 13 days of Halloween. Yeah, so that's that. I hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful day.